Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we are back with the RM125, and as you guys know from last video, we were working on getting the clutch taken out of this thing because it is completely shot, and as we were taking it out, we saw that all the clutch plates are in really bad shape, and there's actually a crack in the clutch basket. And as you guys can see on the table behind me, I got some packages in the mail, so we're going to be unboxing these today. Installing them into the dirt bike and hopefully getting this thing back up and running and riding. I'm definitely really excited to get this clutch installed because it should be like a completely different bike once it's on. So the sun's actually beginning to set already now, so let's waste no time and start unboxing these packages and get started. Alright, so first off, let's start off with the package and then we'll move on to the box. Alright, so in here we have our new clutch plates. They are factory spec high performance clutch kit. Should definitely be nice. What the heck? So on these clutch discs, it kind of looks like there's surface rust all over it, but I think that's just I guess that's maybe just like the material it's made of, because they all have it and it's like all the same, so I'm sure it's fine. So what I'm actually going to do with these is throw them in a bag with oil and oil these all up. I don't have that much oil to use. I gotta go to the store and get some more, even for when the clutch is back in and I gotta put some oil in the bike. So I'm just gonna use what I have just to oil these up for installation, and I think it should be fine. So I'll move that all around in there, get it all over the place. Alright, so next up, let's open up the big package. Alright, this is where the good stuff is. Oh, we got another package inside of the package. Wow, lots of newspaper. All right, here it is. Jesus. Oh my. All right, so here we have the inner hub and the brand new clutch basket. So these are super nice. Let's get started on installing them. Just got done rubbing the clutch plates all around the bag. I got most of the oil to pretty much all the places onto this. So I think it's definitely oiled up enough to be put into the bike. So now what I just want to do is begin taking off this cover. I just hand tighten down the bolts just for storage, so no dust or anything gets down into there. But we'll take that out. And for the clutch basket, I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to need to take off this whole entire side cover, because as you guys know, when I was taking off the old clutch basket, it was super hard to get out with just this clutch cover on. So we'll just see how the new one fits. So now that I got the clutch cover off, I just want to put this in here and see if it'll fit. It's super close, because I really just don't want to have to take off this whole side cover and have to re-gasket everything. And it should fit. I don't want to damage this thing or anything, so worst comes to worst, I'll just take this off. It's not a huge deal, but I'm going to try and maybe just oil up the outside a little bit, because it's dry as a bone in there. And then I'll slide out the collar and bearing and see if it'll go in. So I have the clutch basket and inner hub in. The clutch basket went in, just needed just a couple light hits with the end of the hammer. Nothing serious. I didn't have to like bang it in and like damage it or anything. But now what I'm gonna do is put the big nut onto the center shaft, tighten that down, and then I'll start sliding on the clutch plates, and then put on the front pressure plate and wrap it up. Alright guys, so as you guys just saw from all those time lapses, and sorry if this video seems like a lot of time lapses, but installing a clutch isn't all that fun, but you know what you gotta do what you gotta do to keep the bike up, keeping it running right. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down the clutch cover. I'm not gonna record it just because you guys already saw, but I'll catch you guys back once it's all tightened down and good to go. Alrighty guys, so the clutch cover is all tightened down, and I just tried to, you know, set up the settings and everything for the clutch lever, but I'm gonna have to, you know, adjust it a little bit more once it's on and I can really test it. But as it is right now, it feels really good. Currently, I don't have any transmission oil for it, but I'm gonna try and run out to the store right now, and hopefully when I come back it's not dark outside. Then I'll pour in the oil it needs, start it up, and see how it is. Alrighty guys, so we're actually back here the next day, and I wasn't able to get to the store last time, and that is because it got dark out, and it's actually about to get dark out here again. But earlier today I got the transmission fluid, and we're gonna put in 700 milliliters into the RM. And actually Sean is here with me. He's a pretty familiar face to the channel. Once the oil's in, we're gonna test out the clutch. I have not tested it at all, obviously because there's been no oil in it, but I think I have all these settings, you know, good to go on it. So we'll just see how this is. All right, so this thing doesn't have any like see-through at all, so I'm gonna try my best to put in 700. I think I did that last time, and I think I got it just about right. So sliding in our funnel. Alright guys, so I just poured in the oil. I'm going to take out the funnel. I'm probably just going to let it settle down a little bit, and then we will start this thing up. It's been raining all day today, so that's why I'm starting the video so late, because it's just been crazy. But right now we're getting a window of being able to test this out. But that's enough talking. Let's get to testing this thing out. Fuel was already on. Choke is on. I'm going to give it a couple slow kicks, get everything cycled through again, and then we'll do the real deal. All right, here we go. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, make sure we're all good to go. I'll put it in gear and see what happens. It's time to put it in gear. The clutch feels pretty good, but the clutch is in and it's stalled, which is not a great sign. So we'll try this again. Alright, that is not good at all.
Another 10-month rebuild.
Alright, so since the clutch isn't fully engaging, I'm going to try and tension it up a little bit up here. Alright, so I just tensioned it up here. I'm really hoping it'll work. If not, then we got an issue that I don't know about. Alrighty guys, so we're back here a couple days later once again, and that is because I got the new clutch cable in the mail finally, and we're gonna throw it onto the RM quick and test out the clutch. What I really like about the new clutch cable is that down where it attaches onto the little arm that grabs the cable, you can adjust it by, you know, you can tension it or loosen it with these two nuts. So I definitely really like that. But let's waste no time, install it onto the bike, get all the settings up here and with these two nuts right, and hopefully we'll have full clutch engagement then. Alrighty guys, so the clutch is in, and right now it's set super far out just because it feels like pretty good how it is right there. It seems maybe just a little bit too tight, but I just want to see if it'll fully engage, and then I can work my way from there once the bike is running and I know where it is with the clutch. So let's go ahead and fire this up and put in gear and see what happens. It's pretty cold out today. This thing isn't used to the cold weather yet, I don't think.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty guys, so the clutch is fully engaging, but it's a little bit too tight, so the clutch is still engaged while it's running. So I'm going to mess around the settings a little bit. I'm going to catch you guys back once this thing is hopefully all dialed in. Alrighty guys, so it's already beginning to get dark out, but it's just a couple minutes later. I went ahead and did a little bit of more adjusting with the settings and everything. I loosened it up a little bit, and now it's a little bit too loose, so I'm going to go back again, tension it up just a little bit more. I'm like right there, and then it should be good. Nope, a little bit more. This is a really precise setting it needs to be set at. Alrighty, I think this is the one. I think I finally got it. Alright, yeah, it's right there because it stayed for a little bit without stalling out. Just a little bit more. Sorry guys if the picture gets really pixelated, it's getting pretty dark, but I'm desperate to get this thing going. There's no way, I'm right there. I'm in here right now, it's idling. Alrighty guys, so we are back here a couple days later once again, and that is because, as you guys know from last clip, it started to get pretty dark out, and then the next day we had a snowstorm. But now we are back, and that night I actually messed with it like pretty late because I was just really destined to get it done. I wasn't able to record it because, you know, it got dark out, but I'm pretty sure that I have the all the settings and everything for the clutch all dialed in, and I believe it is good to go. So it was super, you know, it had to be a really specific adjustment, you know, up, down here and up there, but I finally got it in, and I'm gonna show you guys how it is right now. Alright, 2-day cold start. Hopefully it takes quicker than how it was earlier in the video. Guys, oh my god, this bike has never had that much power ever. All my time of owning it, never ever had that much power. I don't know if you guys saw it, I hope you guys did, but when I shifted into second, I obviously can't shift it that much, so that's why I was in first most of the time, but when I shifted into the second, it pulled up a power wheelie. Alright, so my hypothesis is that this bike never had full power. Last time I went to the track with it, it kind of sounds like a 4-stroke redlining, whatever I would really get on it. It would make a really bad, like, ring noise. This is a pure 2-stroke noise. That is awesome. That is so awesome. That's an adrenaline rush. The RM125 is ready for the racetrack. Oh my god, this is a completely different bike. I'm not even kidding. But I got that clutch perfectly adjusted. I can come to a stop now without it stalling out. And I actually don't really need to rev it up when I shift in gear anymore, you know, from a dead stop from neutral to first. So that is awesome. This bike has never had that much power. I am stoked. But anyway guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. Stay tuned for more awesome videos coming soon. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for all the support. It really means a lot to me. But stay tuned for taking the arm to the track. I definitely wanna go soon, and just more awesome videos. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.